Shelley Wood. You might know me from shelleywood.com. This is my tiny sewing room where I make doll clothes sewing videos. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a pair of straight leg jeans or pants to fit Barbie and similar sized dolls. There's a list of dolls that will fit in these pants on my site. Just go to shelleywood.com. There's a link in the description. You'll need to download this free printable PDF sewing pattern and use the View B pattern to cut out these 4 pieces. Lay one pant leg on top of another with what we call right sides, or the pretty sides of fabric, touching each other. Sew down the seam, the outside edge, like you see me doing in this video clip. Follow these directions for both of the pant legs. Clip the seams. Press the seams open. Of course, if children are doing this, they will require adult supervision. Once you've pressed the seams for both legs, place one pant leg on top of another, again with the right sides spacing or touching each other, and stitch one crotch together. Clip the crotch seam, open the pants up like this, and create a casing at the waist by folding the edge of the fabric once and then a second fold that's deeper, and your pattern will have markings to help you with this. So here I am doing that. I fold it once and then a second time that's a deeper fold. Stitch along the bottom of this casing. You can either use your sewing machine or do this by hand. I'm using a whip stitch here. If you need help with a whip stitch, I have a tutorial for that. Look in the description below this video on YouTube. You'll find a link to my whip stitch tutorial. Measure your doll's waist for elastic and cut your elastic to fit the doll. You want it to fit snugly, but there should be a little bit of extra beyond that. Just a tiny bit more. Attach a safety pin to one end of the elastic. Send this elastic through the casing that you created and hold the elastic in place with straight pins. You need to make sure your straight pins go all the way through the elastic and the fabric. So here I am sending my safety pin through. Sometimes it's tricky to get past the seams, and it helps to turn the safety pin kind of sideways. And there I am putting a straight pin through to hold the elastic in place. Now when I get to the other side, I had trouble getting my straight pin to go all the way through the elastic, so I had to reposition it right there. Bring the 2 unsewn crotches together. Sew from the elastic at the top to the bottom of the unsewn crotch. You can do this by hand or you can use a sewing machine. It's just crucial that you go through the elastic. Sometimes it helps to go through the elastic a couple times. Make sure the elastic is sewn in place before you remove your straight pins. Clip the crotch seam like you did the other crotch seam. Now hem one pant leg by folding once and then a second time. Now I'm using the whip stitch to hem here. I suppose you could use your sewing machine. Just remember, only hem just the one pant leg so far. Now your pants will look kind of like this. Open the pants like this and sew the inseam. You'll start at the hem at the bottom of the one leg, and then go up that pant leg and stitch across the crotch, and then part way down the unhemmed leg, but you want to stop at about the knee. Now you're ready to hem that second pant leg. Fold the end of the pant leg once and then a second time, just like you did before. Whip stitch this hem like you did the other. But as you're working, keep checking to make sure that the two hems are the same length. You want to make sure each side matches in length as you hem. Now you can finish stitching the inseam. Invert the pants or jeans. I like to use a chopstick to help with this, as you'll see right here. And now you're ready to try the jeans on a doll. For more free printable sewing patterns to fit dolls of many shapes and all different sizes, remember to visit my website, shelleywood.com. Well, that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching. If you like my videos and free patterns, please share them on your favorite social media platforms. It really helps my website grow if you spread the word. Goodbye.